Actually, at 1 p.m., I go to my house from my West background. I'm spoken English class. Then put my bag, and then I go to my washroom, and then I get fresh. After getting fresh, I say my prayer to Allah, and after my praying, I have my lunch with my family. After having lunch, I took a rest about 20 minutes. After taking rest, I took my phone and I worked about 30 minutes on MS Word, Microsoft Word, for some typing, for writing something. And after typing that, I go to outside to play. If I find my friends, then I play cricket or football. And if I don't find any of my friends, then I go to my study room and I started to read science fictions and the books on poems, etc. So that by doing these works, I spend my time to 1 to 4 p.m.